Our challenge today is to prepare a 4-course meal for the opening night at the English house. I've been tasked to do the egg custard tart.
If your tarts leak, you're finished. You're going home.
I just have to be thinking on my feet here. I still have some extra dough. I roll it out much larger than the pie tins and then slowly fold it in. I'm just hoping my tart shells, they don't split.
I dropped a whole tray of puff pastry because it was just so hot and I'm not about to give up. I'm just really frazzled right now because I'm way behind schedule. Oh, I might be going home on this.
I'm making the beer batter.
In the kitchen, I like to take my time, so I make sure that I don't mess up.
Jen,
Yes.
let me show you a trick. Open these 2 bottles. Now, let me show you something. Use 2 hands, and when you're cooking, 2 minutes is a lifetime.
All these little minutes will add up to a lot in the end.
I'm preparing the mushrooms and I need to blend them in the food processor.
It's not even moving, oh my god.
Shams, how long?
I will need all the help in the world.
Cooks! Time is precious. Are you in trouble? Are you in trouble? Now, this is my friend, Alex, the head chef. Sort them out, get them ready for service. 1 hour to go.
I'm just like, ah! It's just like a ray of light going through and shining on to Alex's face.
Let's go and let's push.
The first thing Chef Alex helps me with is the mushrooms.
Yep. It is. Thank you, Chef.
I'm so thankful because now I've got the chance to get the mushroom duxelles out in time.
Coming through.
How's the welder?
So as I'm taking out, I can see on quite a few of them, there are little holes here and there. So I'm just frantically trying to patch all these bits and pieces here.
My God, there's a lot of patching there, isn't there? It's horrific. Wow.
Oh no, these tart shells are a disaster.
Where's your cream? Where's your 250 mils of cream?
Half an hour before service starts, I'm starting on my velouté.
What?
A bit more salt.
It's not for me to tell you, it's for you to tell me.
Need a bit more salt.
You can clog up arteries, the amount that needs.
I'm a bit thrown off at that moment, but I'm falling behind, so I just put it aside and I started rolling pastries.
I'm starting on my tartar sauce. So this is a very, very important component of the fish and chips because this is what brings the whole dish together. Previously, as I sat down with Chef Marco to try his dish, I really tasted the tartar sauce and tried to ingrain that flavor into my mind. I hope to replicate whatever he did.
Yeah, I think it's the right consistency. I just need to chill it down.
I feel quite confident and even have time to even help the others.
Chefs, the customers are walking through the doors. In 15 minutes, we're starting service.
I am definitely not ready for dinner service. My head is on the chopping board right now.
Jen, are you free?
I'm free.
Okay, help me with the eggs, please. I've got really delicate hands, so I need help with the eggs.
The crucial part about the eggs is that the egg whites has to be cooked, but the yolk's still very runny.
Oh my god! It's really too soft.
It should have been in the boiler for another 30 or 45 seconds. I go get more eggs done and I just try to increase the timing that is in the boiler.
Sharon,
Yes, Marco.
how many discs have you made?
5, Marco.
5? Or 5 to go?
55 to go, Marco.
Wow. You're in trouble, aren't you, girl? Quickly, quickly. Thank you. Shams!
Yes, Chef.
7 eggs.
Yes, Marco.
The first order comes in. I'm still struggling to get everything together.
Yeah. I want my 7, the 777. How long for my 7 eggs?
Marco Pierre White is screaming down my neck.
Come on, Shams, I'm waiting, I'm waiting,
Yes, sir,
I'm
coming,
waiting,
sir.
I'm waiting.
But after a while, I definitely got the system going on. I'm plating beautiful plates of croustade of eggs maxims for everyone.
Oh, look at that. How beautiful does that dish look? Oh, music to my ears.
Yeah.
That's spectacular. The eggs are cooked brilliantly. The duxelle is so well seasoned, lots of flavored. I'm happy. No complaints.
Just a little disappointed that my eggs are a bit overcooked, but everything else is really tasty.
Your starters have all gone, OK? And then you must help Jen on the fish.
Yes, sir.
Speeds up the service.
It's my service, and I'm frying the fish.
How long for 8 fish and chips? How long? How long for 8 fish and chips? Am I talking to myself?
You want to get the orders out quick, but you also want to make sure that it's all cooked properly.
2 on this tray, Jen. 4 here, 2 here. Come on.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Wow, thank you. Oh, they look good.
That is really crunchy. Try this. That's a really good fish and chip.
That tartar sauce, it's just yummy. That's a winner for me.
I like the fish, and it's not really oily. It's very crispy, and I really like the sauce. It's perfect.
Well done, Jen.
Thank you so much, Marco.
Service, bring me tickets. 8 pies, please.
My service starts. And we have multiple pies in multiple ovens, and we have to monitor the timing.
Sharon, how long for 8 pies? Sharon, how long?
10 minutes, chef. I put as... Oh my God, it was nerve-wracking at the moment. And I'm cranking up the oven so that the pies will come out earlier.
Pies, how long? How long? Give me some pies. They're not golden brown, get them back in. Don't give me cold pies, undercooked pastry. Bring your pies here, put your pies here. Quickly, quickly, quickly.
Wow, generous portions, huh?
Indeed.
Hello, chicken pie.
So here we've got the crispy chicken skin. That's looking pretty fine, huh?
Well, what I want to bring our attention to is the difference in color between our pies. The 3. Yours and mine
Yours is pretty.
are quite the same color, and then Damien's there is a little bit pale.
All right, proof of the pudding. Dig in.
I'm actually enjoying this pie very much. This is home cooking elevated.
Do you find it's just a little bit under-seasoned, though?
It's seasoned quite well, you know. It's yours all right? Well seasoned.
Uneven pastry, different amounts of seasoning.
And in a restaurant like that, consistency is paramount.
Absolutely.
It's a bit too diluted, under-seasoned, and the pastry is not baked properly. Yeah.
I'm terribly sorry.
They say the pastry's undercooked.
Yeah.
And it's very diluted. They're not happy.
Okay. Sharon, come here.
Yes, Marco.
You should never guess how long a pie takes. It's a minimum 15 minutes at 225, depending on how many times you open the door.
Sorry, Marco.
With so many pies in multiple ovens, I just lost track. And I'm afraid that might send me home today.
Come on.
The first ticket comes in, I start to cut into my pie. Can you take another knife? Just hold the shape.
Yes, Marco.
2 tarts.
Yes, Marco.
It's okay.
Beautiful light custard.
Look, the walls are these high, and the custard only comes up to knee-high. I wish there was so much more of it.
I think pastry, just a little bit uneven. Quite thick there.
It was probably not done in a whole. It was like added on. So some parts were thicker, some parts were thinner.
Pasta, it was very smooth and it was very light. I love it.
Then it's all over.
We cooked our hearts out, we completed that service, and even if we go home tonight, we can hold our heads up high.
You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. I'm thinking it might be my time to go because I was the weakest link today. I'm so proud of myself and my team for still pushing on.
Oh gosh, oh gosh.